Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. And in today's video, I will be doing a smell test on the Method Body Wash. And these are new flavors or scents, whatever. They're limited edition, and when I saw that, I had to get them. A while back, I did like a big self-care haul. It's no video on my channel, too much to film. But I did a big self-care haul and I bought a whole bunch of stuff, and one of the brands was Method Body. Another brand was like Tree Hut. I forgot what a couple of other brands was, probably like Dove and stuff. But anyways, after using these items for about a good year, I found out that, okay, I really like the Method Body. So I'm just saying, I recommend it. I know everybody's body different, but I really like Method Body, and that's usually my go-to. So when I saw this, I had to get all of these. Let me know down below if you've already bought these, tried these, smelled these, or if you're just interested in looking at it. Hopefully this video will help, and let's go ahead and get going. So this one is Fresh Affirmation. This one got eucalyptus, spearmint, and sage, and this is how the bottle looks. And let me see if there's anything else. I don't think there's anything else that really matters. When you go to the store, of course you can read it, but they say it's made without parabens, cruelty-free, tested by people, not on animals. This bottle had a past life, so I guess it's, recycle itself, if you care to know that kind of stuff. Okay, let's smell it. Okay, this one smells exactly like what it says. I do smell the spearmint. I also smell the eucalyptus, which is actually one of my favorite, like, aroma therapeutic scents or whatever. It's one of my favorite. It smells good. It smells good. Designed for you with good karma in mind. That's so cute. Yeah, that's what caught my attention. All of these had like nice names. And then the bottles were different colors. So I like this one. We'll say this one is okay. I'm going to say it's okay for now. I'm more of a sweet, fruity smelling kind of girl. So I like those kind of scents. Let's see what this one. This one is Serenity Now. Crisp Forest, New Rain, Refreshing. I can already tell this one's probably going to be my least favorite. It smells good. It reminds me of, which one is it? The Method Body Wind Down. So that one, it looks just like this, but it's a light blue color, and it's like called Wind Down or whatever. Kind of reminds me of that. Yeah, it has a clean smell. It does smell like forest, rain, the outside, I guess. It's not bad. Probably going to be my least favorite for sure. Okay. This one is Positive Energy. So this one caught my mind. This was the one I saw. I saw this one, and I also saw this red one, and I was like, what is that? So this one is Positive Energy, Strawberry, Papaya, Guava. So I can already tell I'm probably going to like this one. Let's see. I like this one. This one smells good. You definitely smell the papaya and the guava for sure. Actually, I'll say this. Method Body, when they put the scent, it is the scent. Like, it does smell like that. So I guess that's all. It smells good. Yeah. Okay, this one's pretty good. We're going to set that to the side. All the ones that's like, okay, we're gonna put them over here somewhere. Okay, this one is Coconut Nectar Pineapple. This one I feel like might be in the middle for me. Let's see. Oh, this one smells good too. You really smell the pineapple for sure. So this one you can smell pineapple pretty strong. Let's see. I think I still like this one better, the Positive Energy with the strawberry, papaya, and guava. I think I still like this one. Okay, that one's pretty good. All right, this blue one is Quiet Meditation. Oh my God, look at the letters, the words. See, that's why I don't like doing curbside orders. See, when you do curbside orders, they just pick up whatever shit, put it in the bag, and bring it to you. Now, I know many people may not pay attention to that, but I didn't want that. Violet, Lily of the Valley. I'm sorry if I say it wrong. I don't know flowers. Freesia. So this one I guess is going to be maybe a floral kind of smell. Oh, this one smells pretty good. You know, I thought it was going to be similar to the rose one because Method Body does have a pink rose smelling floral one. This one smells like a bouquet of flowers. Which one do I really smell? I feel like I really smell, I don't know actually. Low key, flowers smell the same to me. Not all of them, but many of them. So I don't know. I can't tell which one will be the strongest scent, but it is a floral scent and it smells good. Yeah, this one smells good. I could see myself using this one like before bed or something. Yeah, and I could see myself maybe using these two. These are the fruity ones. Like before I go out or something. Or just a shower for the day because honestly, I'll be at home and I still take showers and I still like to smell good all day. So I try to smell like sweet, especially in the summertime. I love to smell sweet in the summer. Okay. This one, which is the last one, because I think it came with all 6. Like, I think I got all the collection, actually. And it's only at Target. So, that's the thing to keep in mind, is only at Target. This one is Gratitude Goodness. Mandarin Orange Lemon Zest. I can already tell I'm probably going to like this one. Another type of smell I love are citrus smells. So, I love fruity sweet smells, citrusy smells, and floral smells. Those are my favorite kind of smells. Okay, let's see. It smells like, you can smell the lemon for sure. Yeah, and you can smell the oranges. It just smells citrusy. This one smells just citrusy. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. Okay, now that I smell all of them and I kind of gave an idea what they smell like, I'm going to go ahead and rank them now. So, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm probably going to, you know what? I'm going to start with my least favorite. Because it's always easy for us to say what we don't like versus what we like. So I'm going to start with my least favorite. I like all of them. It's just some are better than others. So, least favorite, I'm going to say it right now, is the Chris Forrest one. So this one, Serenity Now, is my least favorite. It smells like outside, crisp outdoors. So if you like that kind of smell, you'll like this one. Least favorite. Okay. I think the next one is probably going to be the eucalyptus, but it's kind of between the eucalyptus. Where is it at? I feel like it is this one. It's between these two. Let me see. Actually, why don't I open them all? So I don't have to keep opening, closing. Because this one smells citrusy. It smells good. But you know how some smells kind of have like a syrupy smell? If that makes sense. Like artificial. Not saying it's artificial, but hell, can we be honest? Come on. So, yeah. Like it smells good, but yeah. Okay. I'm going to probably put this one next to last. Only because I like sweeter smells over the aromatherapy smells, even though I love aromatherapy smells. This eucalyptus is good. If you're looking for something that smells relaxing, it may open you up in the shower. I recommend this one, the Fresh Affirmations. That eucalyptus and spearmint smells so good. Yeah, we're going to say, so this is 6th place. 6th place. We're going to make this one 5th place. Okay. 4th place. Let's see. Okay. All right. I already know these are probably going to be top 2 over here. Wait. Yeah. That's a tough one. You know what? I'm going to say this one. So I'm going to say Gratitude and Goodness is going to be a fourth place because I feel like you smell the citrus and I love the citrus, but some companies, their citrus is more citrusy and almost like natural, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, you got to be careful when it comes to fruity smells, when it comes to like lemon, strawberry, any kind of those fruity smells, because you can do too much and it's like, okay, this is too much. It don't smell good. So although it smells good, it's leaning towards it's a little too much. So if you like lemony smells and citrus, like biggest fan in the world, I recommend. You'll probably like it. That's for sure. Okay, who's going to be third place? I feel like it's going to be this one. Keep that over. That's not good. Yeah. So third place for me is the Quiet Meditation. This one is the Freesia Violet and the Lily of the Valley. So this one smells just floral. So if you like floral smells, love floral smells, I recommend this one. This one smells similar to the rose one of the Method Body, which is a light pink color. So if you like that, you'll like this one too. Okay, we're getting our rankings. So we got 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's see who is second place. You know, the more I smell this one, the more I feel like it smells like conditioner. Let me see. You know what? Let me smell the one I least like. Let me set my nose. All right, let's try it again. I think I like this one. And this is the one that caught my eye in the first place anyway, these two. So yeah, you know what? We're going to say that this is second place. This is the one that's inspired motivation. This has the coconut, pineapple, and nectar in it. It smells good, however, the other one just smells better. Now this one kind of smells like conditioner a little bit, but it's okay. I feel like anything that have coconut in it kind of have like a conditioner smell. Is that weird? Now it could be because I have a Suave coconut conditioner. It smells a little bit similar to that if you want like a reference. But it's not too bad. I do like this one. I like this one. Yeah, we'll make it second place. I like this one. And then first place, I've decided to make the Positive Energy. This is the one that caught my mind. I was just walking by. I saw Method Body and then I saw this color and I was like, oh, okay, new colors. And then I was like, oh, new flavors. And then I was like, oh, limited edition. So that's what made me get it. Like, okay, that's what made me get it. So I think I'm going to put this one number 1. Because all of this is fruit. So strawberry, papaya, guava. It smells really good. Oh, it smells so fruity. It smells so good. And then I got some body scrubs that I could pair well with this one. And if you're interested in that kind of video, let me know. I know that's not really my core audience, so that's why I don't put too many of these kind of videos on there. But because I like to talk about it, I'm going to put these kind of videos on there. So if you want like some kind of like combo video, I don't know if that makes sense. Like I have scents that I can pair with these that I think would just make you smell really good. And it'll be great in your shower self-care routine or bath routine, whatever you want to call it. So yeah. This is number 1. So these are my rankings and I recommend them. I like them. I think they smell really good, all of them. The only thing is if you have a preference of smell, then that's when you want to like take the time to figure out which ones you like. But if you just like smell good stuff and Method Body as a whole, I recommend all of them. I think they all smell good. They do. And they all say what they smell like. And they smell good. I like them. But here's my rankings. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my ranks. I recommend them. Let me know if you already have them or you're looking into getting them. I hope this video was helpful. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned for upcoming lifestyle, beauty, self-care videos whenever I do post them. I don't know. I mostly post arts and crafts, planning, stationery. That's the premise of my channel. So if you're new here, that's usually what I do. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and stay tuned for the next video. Y'all, I've been on it with my schedule and I'm so proud. So please make sure, if you haven't already, check out some of my past uploads. They're all recent and I enjoy my videos, as well as stay tuned for future uploads. Bye guys.